Ladies and gentlemen, it has been our absolute pleasure to fly with you this morning, and as we prepare for landing, please ensure your carrying items are stowed, your seatbelts are fastened, tray tables and seat backs are in their upright lock position, aisle armrest lowered, and headrests down. If you have a video monitor that extends from your seat, please stow it at this time. Flight attendants are coming through the cabin one last time. Collect those items you'd like to discard, so please take a look around your seat back pocket, the floor, and make sure that you get all those items in the hand to the flight attendants as they come through the cabin. Please do not leave anything in seat pockets. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they are properly secured and in airplane mode. Wi-Fi will turn off once we reach the gate. Laptops must be stowed at this time underneath the seat in front of you. They may not be stowed in seat pockets. Thank you. We'll be landing shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles, where the local time is 7:04 a.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. You will hear a ding when it's safe to do so. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items have shifted during flight. And again, please wait till you hear the ding to get up and retrieve those items. You may receive a short email survey from Delta, and we do value and welcome your feedback. We use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight, managing your Sky Miles account, and tracking your bags. Before you deploy today, please take a look around your seat, your seatbelt pocket, the floor, and the overhead bins to make sure you have all your items you came on with. Once you exit the aircraft, you will not be able to return. On behalf of Delta and this Raleigh-based crew, I want to say thank you so much for flying with us today. For those of you who are staying here in the Los Angeles area and have checked bags, you can claim them at carousel number 22. Again, all checked bags for Los Angeles passengers will be at carousel 22. For everyone else moving on, we are arriving at gate 27. If you are headed to Kauai, Hawaii, you're going to 135. If you're going to Kansas City, Missouri, winner, winner, chicken